Naka-live on. Good evening po sa ating lahat. So, we're here at Baguio City. It's raining a little bit. And look at the sunset. Yes. Oh. This is just dahil sa Typhoon Opong. So there, it's drizzling. Tingnan nyo po ang sky. Ang ganda ng kulay. Slow connection. Okay, good night po sa ating lahat. Mag-ingat po tayo. Bye-bye.